While planning to make a jewel from a kitchen, you've probably browsed dozens of interior design platforms seeking a stylish and practical solution. When it comes to kitchen remodeling, a shaker-style kitchen is a winner. Timeless and functional, the shaker style is extremely popular due to its versatility. Give it an individual twist using textures, a color palette, or accessories, and you'll get a trendy and personalized kitchen zone. Why are shaker-style kitchens popular? The popularity of shaker kitchens is rooted in their timelessness. Ever stylish, ever trending, ever functional, invariably winners. Easily accessible shaker-style cabinets are typically minimalistic, with no decorative elements. Made of durable materials, cabinetry and shelves are maintenance-friendly and stylish at the same time. Designed in any color, a shaker kitchen always looks sleek and provides enough storage space to hide bulky appliances, making the kitchen space organized. Shaker kitchen ideas. The optimal color palette for a shaker kitchen. In terms of colors, there is no single rule that fits all. However, the choice of colors determines the spirit and character of your kitchen. The best thing is that shaker-style kitchens can look gorgeous in almost any color or color scheme. White kitchens look fantastic, but it was ousted by more practical off-white and beige shades, sometimes mixed with darker colors of a natural palette. Gray color has recently entered the stage. Kitchen furniture in gray colors acquires an elegant and graceful look. In fact, gray shaker kitchens are trending in California, and the Groisman construction portfolio has several examples of shaker kitchens designed by Boris Groisman. Floating shelves and open stands. Floating shelves ensure an airy look by opening a vertical space. All walls covered with closed hanging cupboards tighten a kitchen area. Hence, open design elements are typically incorporated to enlarge the space. Based on the traditional approach, contemporary shaker kitchens combine classic design elements with modern spacing, where open shelves and stands ensure a trendy twist to the world-renowned shaker interior. Glass cabinetry. The popularity of glass cabinet doors declined in recent years, but now the strategically inserted glass is again on the rise. With well-placed clear, reeded, frosted, or stained glass makes shaker-style kitchen cabinets more vibrant, brightening and refreshing the entire kitchen space. Glass-fronted cabinets are fully functional and can be used to open up the space and display your precious collection of glassware or ornamental plates. Built-in LED lights can favor creating a sophisticated look. Shaker-style kitchen islands. Designers often recommend islands for managing the kitchen zone and providing additional storage space. Their functionality falls into the shaker style's pragmatism. Used as a centerpiece, a shaker-style kitchen island helps to keep a cooking area clutter-free and provides a space for having warm-hearted family meals or party games with friends. Besides being very practical, shaker-style islands can serve as accents for the kitchen interior. Adding a built-in wine rack or installing a sink on top. Use the power of texture. In the last few years, textures are rightfully considered a significant element of an interior. Sleek granite or quartz worktops and backsplashes of ceramic tiling in the same or contrasting colors as the cabinetry looks stunning and trendy. The incorporation of natural materials has never been more popular in the design industry. Use every inch. It's all about functionality. Shaker-based designs are targeted at creating sufficient storage space to keep working surfaces neat and organized. Accessories and highlights. As simple as a shaker kitchen typically looks, you still have various methods to personalize the kitchen, making it unique and stylish in your own way. Use lighting fixtures, built-in or pendant, to manipulate the space and set highlights. Take advantage of available accessories to make a statement. Be it premium-grade chrome or black faucets or cabinet handles, never underestimate the power of accessories as they add your kitchen more personality and authentic vibes. Furniture elements, such as bar chairs, can be used as a style statement, complementing or refreshing the classics inherited from shakers. If you think of kitchen remodeling and prefer the shaker style, call on Groisman Construction with no hesitation. In over 30 years, the team has designed and built a plethora of kitchens, bringing clients' ideas to life.